What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can rename prompts on Gemini AI. So let's just get started. First of all, you'll be in this particular platform, which is the Gemini AI platform, where you can prompt messages. You can also upload image to prompt message, or also you can use microphone as well. So here you need to what you need to do is you need to rename prompts on Gemini AI. So what you're going to be doing is, first of all, it will look like this. So just go to this drop down menu, expand menu, and then these are the prompts, the previous one that you have searched in recent histories. So let me see, I want to, let's say, rename this one. So what I can do is just go to these three dots. There are dots in every three dots in every section. So just go with it and you'll get the option which says rename. Just press on it, and instead of this I'll just write sick days and just press enter, or you can like choose the rename option like this, and you can see that's updated guys, that's renamed. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down guys. So I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.